Una pa lang
Bakit
bumana
naunahan
na
pa
si
kayo
Toby
ng ibang
Chango,
agencies,
no?
especially
Ayos.
ating Pangulo.
Hindi, pero Mr. Chair, pwede po ba tayong lumampas doon sa otoridad na
Pinikyan
isinasa
sa
doon sa
inyo
rules
si
natin
Chango.
na dapat may audit report? Ibig ko sabihin, ang tanong, bakit hindi nagpatawag kaya yung good government?
Mr. Chair, anyway,
Kaumpisa pa lang
Mr.
to,
Chair, anyway, all the reports will be submitted
May mga
to the
kasama
plenary,
na
and
sila
it's up to the
Kong
plenary to
Ungab,
determine whether
Kong
we have
Marcoleta,
violated
yung anak ni Kong
or excess,
Marcoleta.
we have access to our the authority of the committee.
Yes, Mr. Chair, pero bakit pa tayo abot dun sa plenary? Bakit di lang po kayo? Anyway, sinasabi ko ito suggestion.
As I said, the minority wants to
Starting
be
pa lang to,
especially on this very controversial issue.
Hindi, walang problema sa akin. So gusto ko lang liwanagin.
And the Committee on Public Accounts is, this is the term of the minority.
Hindi, kaya nga. So ang ibig sabihin nito, hindi na natin susundin itong, bakit hindi na muna natin amyandahan yung rules natin para hindi kailangan magkaroon ng audit report?
The proof of the
Amyandahan
pudding is in
muna.
the eating, so we'll just have to wait for the committee report.
Chairman Mama, please.
Mr. Chairman, I think ang ginawa lang naman siguro natin is to exercise our duty we have the function of oversight.
Yes, sir.
So therefore, I think even Public Works can request Department of Public Works and
Yes,
Highways
Mr. Chair.
to shed light on the issues being
Wala na
thrown
sila
to them.
Paduano
Yes,
pag
Mr.
nandito
Chair,
si Pano.
If it were the Committee on Public Works, I wouldn't have raised the question because I recognize that the Committee on Public Works has full jurisdiction. Again, it is just a suggestion. If you want to proceed, I have no authority to question or raise a point of order because I am not a member of this committee. So it's just a suggestion, Mr. Chair. So
Hindi
I just
siya
put it on the
member. Ang
table.
sunod niyan,
Whatever the
tatanggalin
decision
siya.
is I will have
Hindi
no
napa-attendan.
say or vote on it, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, if I may.
Congressman Kiba, please.
Yeah, just I think the points of Congressman Toby Tiangco is well taken. While he's not a member, in fact, we can take the cudgels for him, and so that the matter can be put on record, so that the matter can eventually be resolved. We are members of the majority. We respect the rights and enforcement of the minority in exercising your duty to remove the abscesses of government, prevent abuses. So igagalang ho namin yun. But I support the position of Congressman Tiangco. Let's put it on record and let that matter be resolved later on. Because I think the Committee on Rules should be in a position to make the determination whether we will have a joint. Because tama naman na sinabi niya na ayaw natin mabaliwala na kung anong pag-uusapan dito. Pero tingin ko ang tiyak dito is gusto natin gawin na, at in fact, nauuna pa ang minorya na gawan ng hakbang para usigin at alamin kung ano nangyari dito o sundin ang utos ng ating mahal na Pangulo. So, I think, Mr. Chair, I adopt his motion so that it can be put on record, so that a determination can be made later on by the Committee on Rules.
Yes, Mr. Chairman and Chairman Kimbo. Sorry, I cannot make a motion because I'm not a member.
That's why I am adopting your motion.
Okay.
So, on your behalf.
Okay. Yun lang po. I just want to make sure that we're following our rules. No.
Yes, I understand.
Yes.
Congressman Chanco, again, to be very clear, this is a briefing. I think briefings can be requested by any committee. When we go to proper hearings relating to what Congressman Chanco is talking about, I think there is a resolution that has been submitted to Bills and Index that there will be a tri-committee with the Public Works, Public Accounts, and Good Government to look into the anomalies of that will therefore then be subjected to all of the rules that Congressman Chanco is requiring. No? But for now, this is just a briefing. There will be no interpellations, only questions to our invitees.
Yes.
I wish to weigh in.
But I'm not requiring it, Mr. Chair. I'm just suggesting, politely suggesting,
Yes,
that we look into the rules so that para lang maliwanag. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank
Mr.
you,
Chair.
Congressman Chanco.
I just wish to weigh in very
Congresswoman,
briefly. I wish to weigh in on the
De Lima
issue
na
at
naman.
hand. Yes, if you go by a verbal legis interpretation of the rules, it would seem that really the mandate of this committee would relate to the examination and scrutiny of audit reports. So the premise is that there are already audit reports. But then again, I also concur in the explanation of our colleagues here, especially the chairperson, that nothing would prevent this committee from calling a briefing from any agency of government so as to guide it as to the future actions of the committee. So para bang this is just a preliminary step, preliminary move, but not necessarily na ito na nga yun, that the committee would be solely responsible or would be solely investigating either in aid of legislation or oversight functions the matter at hand. So under that condition, that it is purely briefing and questions and not interpellations, I don't think there would be any legal issue. Thank
Yes,
you.
Mr. Chair, if I may reply.
Congressman Chanco, please.
Yes, Mr. Chair, but even briefing should be within the mandate of the committee, no? Because why can sports and youth not ask for a briefing from Public Works if that is our line of reasoning, that it shouldn't be within the mandate? Di ba po?
Butata
So, but
naman
anyway,
si De
just
Lima.
to cut it short, I just wanted to suggest, so whatever the ruling of the chair is and whatever the pleasure of the body is, I have no objection. Anyway, I cannot object because I am not part of the...
Thank you, Congressman Chanco. Can we proceed?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you. At this point, we would like to recognize Congressman Amiro Kimbo to make a presentation.
Okay. So, alam ba ninyo yung naintindihan ko dito? Di ba nagsama-sama sila dyan? Una, sabi nitong si Terry, wag mo akong Terry dyan. Briefing or whatever, nag-ano si Chanco na kailangan may rules tayo para alam natin kung ano yung gagawin. Parang nagsama-sama talaga itong mga kongreso maliban kay Toby Chanco na siya yung nagre-react na ibang-iba. Nagsama-sama sila na pinagkaisa nila si Toby Chanco. Mag-isa niya lang nakikita nyo, sumabat naman si De Lima na sabi niya, hindi na natin kailangan ng house rules dito kasi briefing lang naman. Makita ninyo na nagtulong-tulong sila para sagutin si Toby Chanco. Dito mo makikita na kahit may gagawin silang investigation sa flood control corruption, pagtatakpan nila yan. Kasi tama nga naman, di ba, kailangan pa rin natin na may set of rules, kahit briefing lang yan, kailangan. But anong ginawa nila? Pinagtulungan nila yung sinabi ni Toby Chanco para ano. So, umpisa pa lang, alam na natin kung ano ang magiging ending. Kumbaga, niluto na nila. Lutong-luto na. Kunwari lang silang magsasagaw sila ng investigation, pero at the end of the day, ang gagawin lang nila is ipakita lang sa taong bayan na, nagsagawa kami ng investigation. But at the end of the day, karamihan naman din kasi sa kanila ay mga contractors din. So, tama yung sinasabi ni Mayor Magalong na kailangan talaga ng independent investigating body para gawin yung investigation na ganito. Although yung sinasabi nila na investigation ng House is in aid of legislation or whatever, but mas maganda talaga yung independent body na malayo sa ano. Kasi hindi naman talaga sila investigador. So, dito pa lang makikita mo kung ano lang ang purpose nila is just parang cover up. Parang pakitang tao lang. Pakita lang nila na nag-investigate sila. But at the end of the day, pagtatakban din nila. Kasi sila din yan eh. Yan sila Tambi. Oo. Kunwari lang yan, ang dami. Mga contractors nila, mga dyan sa pinakamarami dyan sa House of Congress. But good thing, meron tayong mga natitira pa ring mga congressman na ipaglalaban yung tama, no? Like yan, si Toby Chanco, sila Kong Ungab, yung anak ni Kong Marcoleta, ayan. Sila Kong Paolo, marami pa rin naman dyan. Ang ayaw talaga dyan sa pinaggagawa talaga. Kasi pera ng taong bayan ang pinagbabayad nila dyan para lang bumoto ka ng oo, pabor sa kanila. Yan ang galawan nila.